Yuji from the season 4 trailer of Jujutsu Kaisen. This is I've drawn one of these already, but this is the one where he's shouting, so more intense one. I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. We are extremely close up on his face, so the eyes are going to be really big. I think I'll start with his eyebrow. So we'll just go here. I'm gonna go curving. Back, right? So like a big check mark. And then there is a few bumps there. And then it just goes back. There's the same on the other side. So it's kind of lower down. It's like lower than this one because of just the position of the eye. So his head's kind of this way. And then we'll do the inside. Another sort of frown line in here. So the eyes come out from underneath the eyebrows. So we get this big spike here. So that's like the top eyelid line. And then the bottom eyelid line carving around here. So intense eye, like iris. It's not a perfect circle. It's kind of like gone stretched horizontally that way a little bit. It's like an egg really. And then the pupil is like just in there, pretty small. And then there's some lines around the eye, like lots of sort of, it's that Mappa style, lots of sort of crinkles for his skin and things. Like his nose going that way. And the other eye, pretty much the same thing again. A little spike in there. Then goes back. It's a pretty thick line. Bottom eyelid line, and then that sort of long iris again, pupil, sort of in the middle there. And there's some wrinkles on his nose, kind of around his face as well. And there's another eyelid line there actually. Right, so they don't draw much in for the nose. So there's like nostrils here. And then his mouth is open yelling, so it just comes across underneath, quite big. We open it up, bring it down. Around. And there's like some skin wrinkles and stuff just here. And it's all about the teeth. So like just spiking, stepping down in the corner. And then you carve those together. And it's just that they don't draw the teeth lines, you know, they just have sort of shadows. And then his tongue comes down from underneath there. And then we see the molars in the back, so like the bumpy sort of teeth at the back here. Right, and then there's like maybe a bottom lip line kind of thing, just but it's really stretched out, you know. And then the chin. So I'm gonna have to put the chin in. So you can't see it in the original, but we'll do this. I think it just follows the shape for the mouth, I would say. Yeah, that looks okay. And then face shape goes all the way up and around the eyes. So it comes out and then curves around. Same on this. And then curves around right up. And you get sort of his sideburn for his ear there. I'm not forgetting all those cuts, but I just want to get the rest of his hair and stuff in. Excuse me. And it's interesting because it looks like he's got his scars, but it looks like he's taken like Sukuna's cleave or something in the face. Right, so maybe we get the hair. So just like a V there in the middle, and then the hair zigzags out from that. Right, so we can just see his ear then. There. And a bit of it here, thinner on this side. Then ear around. Right, and then the rest of his hair spikes all coming around the head here. It kind of stops here, but Yuji's hair, I guess it would go sort of in there. We get some textures on the inside. So all the cuts then on his face. So it looks like his scar here is like opened up again. It's red, but this one is still pale. So let's see what we can do. So we'll go just like, and this kind of looks like the stitches. So it goes there and then out and then up. And these are all red, of course. So, but I'm just going to draw them with a line. Oh yeah, and this one goes across his nose, kind of like Sukuna. There's one in the corner of his eye there. And this crisscross shape then. And the one on his mouth. And something on his cheek here as well. And then like as much sort of scratches and stuff as you want. So that's like all the cuts and things. So we just got to add like his shoulders and a bit of a hand. It's hard to see the hand, so bear with me for that. I'll do my best. We can see that red hood anyway. So it comes out from like his jaw here. So where would it go? Would it go behind his head here? Maybe. I'll do it this way. The other side. Going up there. Okay. So is that his arm, or is that ice, or so we can see his chest, I think, just like here, and I think this is like his fold of his elbow, so that's like his shoulder there. So then like his other chest muscle should be, maybe that one just flies off a bit more that way. It's hard to see, but you know, for the purposes of drawing, it's probably easier to just send it off that way. And I think we can see a hand here, so we can see like some of his wrist. And then like, so that goes in there. And then this comes down here. And what am I looking at here? So there's like a knuckle. And then his pinky there. And then I think we get like his thumb here. That's his thumb. And we get some skin just going down this way. Right, so then middle finger. Ring finger, pinky there, I would say. Difficult to see that hand now, so I'm kind of making that up a bit. So yeah, and then like there's all sort of ice cracks and stuff all down here, so you can draw in as much of that stuff as you'd like, you know, just sort of angled sort of lines coming out from around here. But that's generally it. Yuji from the trailer for season 4. Can't wait. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.